Moments ago, we got some breaking news that will be of interest to you if you hold XRP. I don't think you're going to want to miss this one. And also, guys, I want to put out a quick story here at the end. All I ask is if you do like talking about both Ripple and XRP, type in X in the comment section, smash that like button, and let's get straight into it. About 15 minutes or so ago, guys, I saw this post, and I'm going to talk to you about why this is so important as Nate Garassi, who is the president of Nova DS Wealth, host of ETF Prime, co-founder of ETF Institute, writes, here we go. Hashdex NASDAQ Crypto Index US ETF has been approved under the SEC's new generic listing standards. He writes, will now be able to own crypto assets beyond BTC, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Looks like XRP, Solana, and XLM. And when I initially saw this post, I'm scratching my head, right, thinking, Hashdex, their NASDAQ crypto fund. I believe it has XRP, but I couldn't remember. And so I pulled it up, and sure enough, it is sitting at 7.11% of this fund in XRP. Solana sitting at 4.19, so just over half, right? And then Stellar, half of what would be the portion of XRP. And then Stellar only at 0.34%. So XRP being a substantial amount of this fund, of their holdings for Hashdex. And again, this is an avenue for those traditional investors out there that want to get into one of these funds that they deem is more regulated. Myself, I just personally would rather buy XRP directly from an exchange and put it into cold storage or put it into institutional grade custody. But the point is, a lot of traditional investors do not want to do this. So what does this mean? Why is this important for us as XRP holders? We're going to continuously see more accumulation from the big institutional buyers and those traditional investors that want in on this market. And so, as we see just yesterday what happened with BlackRock, or is happening with BlackRock and Ripple, and these products happening, this is a time that will never happen again. And earlier here today, I was talking to an investor, coaching, right? Can't give financial advice, but coaching, and talking about how this is not, in my personal opinion, well, not financial advice, but a time to be thinking about selling as we're about to enter October with these products, with what is happening with these partnerships, as this individual was thinking about selling. I heard of someone this last July 4th selling their XRP for fireworks. Guys, this XRP digital asset sitting at just around $3 right now will not be $3 forever. And when it takes off, it's going to be extremely hard, as I stated yesterday, for retail to catch the price. And so again, we have huge news. Again, there'll be people in the comment section, I'm sure, saying, well, what's it doing for price because it's only up 2.4%. Granted, XRP is the only cryptocurrency right now in the top 10 that is actually up. We have to get out of this mindset of only looking at the 24-hour chart unless you're a day trader. If you're a day trader, we have links below that you can use for exchanges to trade and use leverage. But if you're an investor, you have to think like an investor and understand it takes time. But unlike the stock market, when the cryptocurrency market moves, it moves extremely fast. And historically, what we've seen with XRP is when those big movements happen, you have to be ready. You have to be prepared because it moves rapidly. That's all I got for you for now. Just want to get this out to you in real time, whether it's day or night, guys. We will get it out to you in real time. I appreciate all the support. God bless. We'll see you all in the next one.